What's up, my fellow devs, and welcome back to the Dev Shop. So, we're coming to a close to 2019, and I think we had a pretty good year. Decent amount of tutorials, the community has grown, and it's only getting better, the engine is getting better. So in 2020, definitely want to step that up and do a few more things. Remember, you can support the channel on Patreon, through PayPal. I even have a coffee, a subscribe star. I'm also going to be putting my videos on BITCHUTE and maybe Library, just to kind of support other platforms. YouTube is kind of, and even though I don't think most of these changes that they're going through is going to affect my channel, I'm just kind of being prepared and cautious. And like I said, I want to support other platforms that are up and coming and support more openness, if that makes sense. So going into the new year, I definitely want to do more things like Patreon only requests, maybe releasing a few videos early on Patreon, just kind of give you guys incentives to want to support the channel there. And of course, you'll have access to alphas and betas of my projects, my personal projects. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely check that out. We're going to definitely get into more advanced topics in 2020. Actually, going into the new year, we're going to be touching bases on AI. That's going to be the first thing that we do for the year. And I'm actually working on those videos now. So best case scenario, I'll have them come out consecutively. Worst case, I'll have to do them Tuesday and Friday, which is our regular release schedule. Supposed to be, So we're going to get into, obviously, AI movement. Instead of using like capsules or boxes, we're going to do full character animations, walking and stopping, and when they need to attack or shoot, we're going to display that using motion effects. So we're going to definitely get into some beginner slash intermediate things for AI, and I think you guys will like it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch. I am getting back into streaming. I do stream gaming as well, but you guys should get a notice within the Discord as to when I go live, so you guys can check it out. Even if you're just lurking and sitting in the channel to bolster the channel, that's great as well. But if you have any questions about the engine, any kind of system, and I have that knowledge for you, then you're welcome to pick my brain. Also, don't forget that 1.22 has dropped. So if you haven't downloaded that, go ahead and check that out. And I want to try something new in 2020. So if you guys are working on projects that are moving along, you have a playable demo or something to show, let me know in the Discord or DM. I want to start showcasing things like that for the engine and the community on the channel. Once I get mines up and running, I'm going to show mines as well. So if you have that and you want to be a part of that, definitely let me know. But yeah, hope you guys had a dope year. The channel, we almost made 1,000 subs by the end of the year, but not quite. Definitely want to give you guys more content and things like that may not pertain to Lumberyard per se, just so we can grow the channel until the community is really, larger than what it is. But yeah, just want to give you guys this quick update. Wanted to wish you guys a happy new year, and wanted to let you guys know what's going on in the new year for the most part, and hope you guys are still along for the journey in 2020. Other than that, hope you guys have a very dope day. I hope you guys are prospering in your projects, and until next time, keep developing.